Hi, this is Brian Shepard with today's closing print. We know we opened up 8 handles higher, 1843 area, squeaked out a new high before we backtracked, and we call it back and fill. Back down to the opening range, closing the gap. That first bounce held, and really it held that 1831 to 1833 area that we've talked about several times. The pivotal area that's taken place here over the last, probably most of the year, 2014 that is. Anyway, on the bounce it rallied up to 1838 area, maybe a little bit shy of that, held there, and then it came back and it took out sell programs, sell stops, took out that previous close, which was about 10 handles off the high, I might add, which also held a 10 handle roll of MrTopStep. But it took out the stops under 1831 area and printed a low of the day at 1826.70. There wasn't a whole lot of news that we saw that created the rally, nor was there a whole lot of news on the break. We think there was a technical, break on there. It took out, again, the key area, 1831.33. The bulls brought it right back up, slow, methodical. And it was after 10:30 when the European markets closed. So it looked like the European agenda was to sell them off this morning. U.S. bought it back up. Midday just sat, once it got back up through 1831.33, sat again at, below or near 1838 area. The MIM showed minor to the sell and a modest, grew to a modest 200 million or so to buy. Again, that's no bearing on the market, I don't think. The cash close traded 1837.5. New Jersey and poor Governor Christie, he called for a state of emergency there, closed down the roads. A lot of people left after that 10:30 Central Time, coinciding with the European close. Tomorrow we have Redbook. It's the only scheduled economic data. We have earnings. It looks like predominant tech stuff, so we're going to look through that through the week. And tomorrow night, on Wednesday night, China comes out with their flash PMI, followed by Europe in the middle of the morning, 2 or 3 o'clock Central Time, and U.S. and the pre-market on Thursday morning. That's it for now. Oh, actually, we'll talk about some support. 1825 area is proven to be a support underneath that 1831.33, 1825, 1818, 1813. On the upside, above 31.33, we look for 1841, 1843. Big number, roundy at 1850 even, and above that, stops have to come in somewhere above 1852 area, it looks like. We'll see what's in store for us tomorrow with the news, the earnings front. Have a great night. We'll talk to you tomorrow.